This is question 14 on problem solving from the 2013 IMAT. So we're told that in a society meeting, there are 1,000 voters for the new chairperson. Now, if no one out of the candidates receives more than 50% of all the votes, then there's a second ballot between the top two candidates from this first round. Now, we know one person got 350 votes in the first ballot, and we know a second ballot then took place. Therefore, which one of these possibilities is possible? So A, they either won or came second or third. B, they either won or came second. C, they came second or third but didn't win. D, they came third. And E, they definitely won. So how should we go about this? Well, we can see that in each of our options, there's some combination of winning or coming second or coming third. So maybe we should consider separately whether each of these is possible. So firstly, can they have won? Well, we know they didn't get more than 50% of the votes in ballot number 1, but we know a second ballot took place, so we know that no one received over 50%. So is it possible that this person was in the top 2 in the first ballot and therefore went through? Well, we don't know how many candidates there were, or any of the other scores, so it's very much possible that this person went through to the second ballot. And we're not told anything about the results of the second ballot, and so it's very possible that this candidate won. And by extension, it's also possible that they came second in this second ballot. So we know they can win, we know they can come second, but can they come third? So think about how this could be possible. We know the top 2 go through to the second ballot, and that means they can't have been in the top 2. Is this possible? Well, the limiting value here is the fact that there are 1,000 voters. Now, what would the votes have to have been if the person with 350 votes was third? Therefore, 2 people must have got more than 350. And is this possible with the number of voters? Well, even if it just got 351, and if these were the only 3 candidates and everyone voted, we'd still have more than 1,000 votes, which we know isn't possible. So they only could have come third if there were at least 1,052 voters and only 3 candidates. And this was the result. So we know this is impossible, so they cannot have come third. So knowing this, that these 2 are possible but not this, let's have a look at our statements. So A, they either won or came second or came third. Well, we know third's not possible, so no. B, they either won or came second. That's what we've concluded here, so yes. C, they came second or third, so yeah, third, no. D, they came third, we know that's wrong. And E, they definitely won. Now, we know it's possible that they came second because we don't know the results of the second ballot, so we can't say that they definitely won. So the only statement that is correct or possible is B. So this is our final answer.